Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So you can see I'm in Northern Ireland. Actually, I'm in Belfast. So I'm staying at a very interesting hotel. This is the Europa Hotel, one of the finest hotel collection under Hastings Hotels Group. So it's called the Europa Hotel. Okay, the reason why it's interesting because a lot of celebrities stay here. So Brad Pitt, Julia Roberts, David Beckham, Hillary and Bill Clinton, a lot of celebrities stay here. But what's more interesting is if you Google, what is the most bombed hotel in the world? It is this hotel. So it has been bombed by IRA 33 times between 1971 to 1994, I was told. But luckily, they are just seeking attention, so no major fatal casualties happen, so which is a good thing. So this is the hotel. Of course, the celebrities stay in suites. This is the superior room on high floor, one level up from the standard room, which is good. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. They have open closet with iron and iron board. And then they have 2 bottles of water and a water kettle, some biscuits, a safe deposit box, but no mini bar at all. Okay, so moving on, this is a work desk that with good electrical plugs can do some work. Good size TV here. 2 chairs to relax. Yes, this is Belfast. Okay, and then a very comfortable thick mattress, king size bed, free Wi-Fi, and I'm going to walk into the bathroom because it's quite nicely set up with the tub and then the rain shower. And then this is the amenities they're using. So they don't have bathrobe, but they do have good towels. Okay, so actually I'm on the 10th floor facing the main street. And one interesting thing is a lot of people want windows that can open. Actually, not a lot of hotels have windows that can open. And this is one hotel that can. It's a little noisy when you keep it open, but you have fresh air. But you can close it, but at least it can be open. So this is facing the main street on the 10th floor with a good view. So I'm going to show you what it's like in the morning. And next door, I do not know if you can see it, but right next door on this side is the Opera House. So very centrally located, great location. As I say, a lot of celebrities stay here. Now, after 1994, there's no incident, so no bombing, no whatever. But I just find it very interesting to be staying at the most bombed hotel in the world for tonight. So I'm going to have breakfast tomorrow morning and we'll keep on sharing the experience at the Europa Hotel in Belfast in Northern Ireland. So this is the sticky toffee pudding, big portion.